Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to switch Safari tab groups on your iPhone in iOS 26 or later. If you like keeping your browsing organized, Safari's tab groups make it easy to separate work, personal, and research tabs. With iOS 26, switching between tab groups on your iPhone is smoother and faster than ever before. In this video, I'll show you how it's done the quick way. That's it, let's get started. So first you have to launch Safari on your iPhone, and then you have to long press on the address bar. After that you have to tap on Switch Tab Groups option in the menu. Then you have to choose the preferred tab group in the menu and you're all set. So that's how you can quickly switch between Safari tab groups on your iPhone running iOS 26 or later. It's a great way to stay organized and streamline your browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy iPhone tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.